Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll discuss about Unit 9 functions worksheet 7. Change it to mixed number. First always we return improper function as a mixed number. So it's all are improper function. Now we convert mixed number. So first we solve 4 by 3. 4 by 3 can be written as division sum. 4 divide 3. Now we solve it. Now we divide it. 3 1s are 3. 4 minus 3 equal to 1. It is remainder part. It is remainder part and it is natural number part. Natural number part. And it is divisor. Now we write it 4 by 3 equal. Divisor is 3 and remainder is 1. And natural number part is 1. Now function is 1 whole of 1 by 3. Now we solve another point B. (41 by 10). First is written as a division sum equal to 41 divide 10. Now we divide it. 41 divide 10. 10 4s are 40. 41 minus 40 equal to 1. It is remainder. And natural number part is 4. And 10 is divisor. Right, 41 by 10 equal. Natural number part is 4 and remainder is 1. 4 whole of 1 by 10. Now we solve another point C. 11 by 4. First, we know that 11 by 4 can be written as division by sum. Division sum equal to 11 divide 4. Now we divide it. 4 2s are 8. 11 minus 8 equal to 3. So, it can be written 4 and its remainder part is 3 and 2 natural number part. 2 whole of 3 by 4. Now we solve next number D. Next one D. 29 by 6. It can be written as a division sum. 29 divide 6. Now we divide it. 6 5 the 30 is greater than 29. Then 6 4s are 24. 29 minus 24 equal 5. 29 minus 24 is 5. Now we write mixed function. 29 by 6 equal 5 is remainder part, 4 is natural number part. 4 whole of 4 by 64. Sorry, 4 whole of 5 by 6. Now solve another point E. 7 by 5. First it can be written as division sum. 7 divide 5. Now we divide it. 5 1s are 5. 7 minus 5 equal 2. Now we write 7 by 5 equal 1 whole of 2 by 5. Another point F. 50 by 9. First it can be written as division sum equal 50 divide 9. So we write 9 5s are 54. 50 minus 45 equal 5. So it can be written 5 whole of 5 by 9. Now write another point G. 68 by 11. First it can be written as division sum equal 68 divided 11. Now we divide it. 11 6 is 66. Then 68 minus 66 equal to. So we write 6 whole of 2 by 11. Now we solve another point H. 74 by 15. Now it can be written as division sum 74 divide 15. Now we divide it. 15 4 ja 16. Then 4 7 minus 6 1 14. Now it can be written 4 whole of 14 by 15. Now we solve another point I. 54 by 7. Seven 7 ja 49. 4 minus 9 we can subtract it. We cannot subtract it. We want to borrow 14 minus 9 equal to 5. Then we write it was written division sum 54 divide 7 equal to 7 whole of 5 by 7. Now we solve question number 2. Change into improper function. A 2 whole of 1 by 3. 2 whole of 1 by 3. First we written as natural number part into denominator by denominator plus numerator. So first write its formula. Natural number part into denominator plus numerator by denominator. So guys, natural number part is 2 into denominator is 3 plus numerator is 1 by denominator is 3. 2 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 by 3 equal to 7 by 3. Now we solve next point B. 6 whole of 1 by 4. 6 whole of 1 by 4. First I write natural number part. Natural number part is 6 into denominator is 4. Then plus numerator is 1 by denominator 4. 6 4 is 24. 24 plus 1 by 4 equal to 25 by 4. Now we solve another point C. 1 whole of 4 by 9. So the natural number part is 1 into denominator is 9 plus numerator is 4 by denominator is 9. 1 9 the 9 plus 4 by 9. 9 plus 4 13. 13 by 9. Then another point D. 33 whole of 1 by 3. First we write natural number part is 33 into denominator is 3 plus 1 numerator by denominator 3. 33 is 3 3 is 9. 3 is 99 plus 1 by 3 equal to 100 by 3. Then another part E. 10 whole of 1 by 10. Then first I write natural number part is 10 into denominator 10 plus numerator 1 by denominator 10. 10 10 is 100. 100 plus 1 by 10. 100 plus 1 is 101 by 10. Then another part F. 7 whole of 5 by 6. Natural number part is 7 into denominator 6 plus numerator 5 divided by 6. 7 6 is 42. 42 plus 5 by 6 equal to 47 by 6. Then next point G. 12 whole of 3 by 7. First write natural number part is 12 into denominator is 7 plus numerator is 3 divided by denominator 7. 12 7 is 84 plus 3 by 7. 84 plus 3 equal to 87 by 7. Then another point H. 9 whole of 1 by 9. 9 whole of 1 by 9. First we write natural number part is 9 into denominator is 9 and plus numerator is 1 divided by 9. 9 9 is 81 plus 1 divided by 9. 81 plus 1 equal to 82. 82 by 9. Then another point I. 4 whole of 7 by 8. 4 whole of 7 by 8. First I write natural number part. Natural number part is 4 into denominator is 8 plus numerator 7 by 8. Denominator is 4 8 is 32 plus 7 by 8. 32 plus 7 equal 39. 39 by 8. Thank you.